Okay, this is just a couple of videos that are an overview of what we discovered this semester so that you can use it later. You can say, oh, that is what I learned. Okay, first of all, we had things like frequency tables. And mostly what we discovered about frequency tables is that the best thing to do with a frequency table is to put it into Excel, highlight some stuff, and either turn it into a histogram or a pie chart. And that's still true. That's actually the best thing to do with a frequency table like this. People understand them. They look kind of pleasing when they're in presentations. You're out in the real world. That's how you're going to live. So that was the best thing to do with these. Boundaries, we didn't really use that. Okay, we didn't talk about the class width. You know, if you set one up, you want nice and even. Midpoints, the only real use for the midpoints was if for some reason someone gave you a frequency table and you had to kind of guess what the mean was. You could do that with the midpoints. You would just figure out all the midpoints, multiply across, add down, and then divide by however many you had. Okay, so you could do that with the midpoints, the boundaries, and the class width. Those weren't so useful. Okay, what we've also done after that, we did the mean, the median, the mode, the standard deviation. Okay, if you have a list of numbers, I know what to do. I'm just going to do one variable stats and see what I get. And it will give me the mean. And it will give me the mode. Oh, it'll give me the median, but it won't give me the mode. And it'll give me the standard deviation. So I put the list of numbers in, do one variable stats, I get the mean, the median, standard deviation, and then I very quick look to see whichever one there's the most of, and there's a whole bunch of sevens, so I go, oh yeah. And the other thing we did with a list like this, well actually we did it mostly with these things down here, is we could come up with a z-score. Okay, if I pick out one particular individual, individuals get their own z-scores. Okay, and if I pick out one of these people who has an 8 minus the mean, divide by the standard deviation, I can tell this person whether or not they're usual or unusual. Okay, and this person comes out to 0.359. They're most definitely usual because they're somewhere between -2 and +2.